म्हादय अभयारण्य वाठारात लागिल्ल्या उज्याचेर नियंत्रण हाडपाक उजो पालोवपी दळ रात दीस उजो नियंत्रणात हाडपाचो यत्न करीत आसात। ताचेर जायत्यो आरत्यो परत्यो प्रतिक्रिया येत आसात, पूण उजो जाता तितके बेगीन नियंत्रणात हाडपाचो उलो काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिनान मारला। तर ह्या उज्याचो घडणुको भिरांकूळ आणि अस्वस्थ करपी आसात अशें मत क्लायड क्रिस्टोन उक्तायला। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
That fire is very unfortunate. The forest department doesn't have a plan. It may not be a plan where they think of the whole forest area, but to some extent, even if they have not a plan, they should be able to put off the fire as early as possible. Or they should be in touch with the Navy. They have a helicopter or some other agency, which if such a thing happens, immediately they should try to put it on.
Incidents of forest fires in Goa are very disturbing and alarming. The Madey Wildlife Sanctuary seems to be affected the most. The biodiversity, the flora and the fauna of the forest are in grave danger. It has been almost a week since these fires have started, but the Goa government has been unable to control it. Forest Minister Vishwajit Rane says that these fires are man-made, but the Chief Minister of Goa says that if found guilty, these people will be brought to book. If the minister is saying that these fires are man-made, then why is the Goa government taking so long to bring these people to book? It is about time that the Goa government takes action and the Chief Minister of Goa walks the talk.
GOA365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, मनीषा जाधव आणि शिवानी सांगेलकर।